Hello everyone, in this video, we will explore the process of setting up API credentials for the HubSpot system. First, let's log into the HubSpot system. Once you log into the HubSpot system, go to Settings, and under the Settings, go to Private Apps. Click Create a Private App. Name the private app. After you've named the private app, click on Scopes, which is located next to Basic Info at the top. And under the CRM, enable all the read and write permissions. Once all the read and write permissions are enabled, click Create App and click Continue Creating. This is the authentication key for HubSpot that we will be using inside the DCKAP Integrator. Now let's log into DCKAP Integrator. Select the project in which you want to add the system credentials. And go to Systems. Click Add New System. Search for HubSpot and select HubSpot. Now give a name to the system credential. Now, copy this authentication. Copy key from HubSpot Private App and paste it inside the DCKAP Integrator. Now go to this HubSpot developer's website and copy this URL from this website. This is the URL from which all HubSpot API calls will be made. Copy this, go to the DCKAP Integrator, paste it, and click Save. Once you have saved it, we can test the connection between DCKAP Integrator and HubSpot by clicking this Test with Fresh Token button. Congratulations, a successful connection has been established between DCKAP Integrator and the HubSpot system. Thank you. Subscribe to DCKAP on YouTube and explore the DCKAP Learning playlist. Check the description below for more.